Alright guys, welcome back to Amazon Loves Me, and what we're looking at here is a 3D printer. It's called a Saturn 4 Ultra. It's a 10-inch printer. It has an AI camera and mechanical sensors for fast printing. It's got auto leveling, Wi-Fi, cluster printing. It can print some very decent sizes. I kind of noticed it, for one, because of this character that's right here. I mean, look at that. Does that not look pretty cool? So again, this seems to be a fairly decent printer for doing 3D modeling and stuff like that, and it's at a small discount right now of about 21% off. So it's got sensors that estimate resin requirements, different alerts for material shortages, defect, or foreign object. It has troubleshooting, leveling capabilities, ensures safe and reliable printing. I mean, it seems like a really cool thing, you know. Again, the clustering, if you want to hook up more than one, it does things like that. Supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi transfer, and cluster printing. Remotely controlled printing, maximizing productivity. So again, thanks for checking out Amazon Loves Me. See you in the next one.